What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Cold Titanium 16, and I want to officially welcome y'all to the North Texas Weather channel. Today we're going to give you guys a quick update, at least a morning update, as to the weather going on here. So looking at our Plano station, we're Northwest Plano. It's currently 49 outside. It's going to be a high of 68, the low of 41 tonight. It's pretty much going to be raining through most of the day today, or at least through the morning. The severe weather that our other friend Andrew had talked about last night has already made its way through, so a lot of that rain is going to be done by the end. Taking a look at the Aubrey station, pretty much the same thing. It's still raining over there. Probably going to move through after in the next couple of minutes. Now, Aubrey has seen just over half an inch of rain, and I would bet that Plano has pretty much seen the same thing. Just a little bit lower, at about 0.47. Now, the Wonder Map, if y'all can see here, we've got the 2 rounds of rain. Everything's pretty much right in front of the cold front. A lot of this is just what's been going on. And this is the mixed warm and cold front up north here going in through Oklahoma. But what's happening here is that all of the Gulf moisture is going to be brought up through this warm front. What will exactly happen here in Louisiana, we'll see. I mean, as you all can see, we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather today. And this whole enhanced risk is a bunch of different things. Now, funny enough, hail is actually not a big problem with this storm. It's going to be damaging winds, especially in southern Alabama and the panhandle of Florida. You guys are going to have a 30% chance of damaging winds. The main and then I think through a little bit northern portion, a little bit through like central Arkansas, just south of Little Rock, and even going in through Greenville, you do have a 30% chance of damaging winds. But one of the bigger threats today is going to be this large 15% chance of tornadoes, which, sorry, it's 10%, not 15, otherwise it'd be a moderate, which will include northeast Texas, most of Louisiana, including the big cities of Shreveport, Alexandria, and New Orleans, the southwest portion of Alabama, including Mobile, and then most of central and southern Mississippi, including Jackson, and then Greenville, which rounds up the very northern portion. Now, how exactly this will go is going to be a big question, just because with the radar right now, we've got pretty much a QLCS going in through the area. And as I open up radar scope, this is kind of what we're seeing right now with the KFWS radar. So we've got 2 bands of rain. We've got a couple bands of rain. Will there be any sort of supercells that form in and around this ati? It will produce tornadoes, and that is pretty much the big question: is will this be a quasi-linear convective system like it is now, or will there be discrete supercells? If there are discrete supercells, there'll be a higher chance of a stronger tornado. If it's a QLCS, it might be embedded, but it might not be as strong as probably what they've wanted it to be. I thank you guys for watching today. I might put up another post as to any sort of new updates, especially since there is going to be one more convective outlook right around noon today for what could be maybe a bigger maybe a bigger day 2 severe weather event. I believe we've already had some SPC reports today. We've had a bunch of tornado warnings up in Oklahoma today. Not too many here in North Texas, but a lot more in Oklahoma, which is a little bit surprising. But other than that, we should be pretty much it for at least the first day of severe weather. And then later this evening, we'll go into day 2 of severe weather. We're going to be live on my channel, link in the description, at 6 p.m. And then we will do a multi-stream from here, from North Texas Weather channel and my channel, starting around 7:45, 8 o'clock tonight. Hope to see y'all then.